Hi, this is Vadim Poklopkin, the head of EWAVES Flash Services. It is Friday, March 7th, and this is the weekly wrap. Today I want to focus your attention on a highlight from the ETF space that we featured this week for our ETF Flash subscribers, and also introduce you to a new feature of EWAVES Live. So, let's dive in. The ETF in question is UNG, United States Natural Gas Fund. When we opened the chart of UNG on March 3rd, Monday, using the data through February 28th, the previous Friday's close, we saw that EWAVES was labeling the latest rally as a wave 3 and the pullback as a wave 4. The low on February 28th was 2030. So on Monday, March 3rd, when UNG was trading at 2088, we sent out an up alert for UNG expecting this ETF to rally at the very least above this wave 3 high, because that's what the wave pattern was calling for. And the rally came quicker than we expected. The very next day, UNG had jumped from its wave 4 low into this wave 5 rally. Now, we always try to let the market dictate when it's time for us to close an alert. So for that reason, we simply adjust our cancel alert levels as the market moves in our direction. When we first opened the alert on March 3rd, our cancel alert level went just under this wave 4 label at 2025. But when prices jumped, first we raised the cancel alert level to 2305 and then to 2370. That's when the market hit a high of 2415, rolled over, and as you can see, according to the latest Elliott Wave labeling inside EWAVES, UNG has been building waves 1, 2, 1, 2 of an emerging correction to the downside since then. And this brings me to the second highlight of the week, and that is a new feature of EWAVES. And you can see it right here in the top right hand corner. So first of all, a quick step back. If you are a new Flash subscriber, or if you're not a subscriber yet, the engine behind our Flash services is a proprietary software called EWAVES. It stands for Elliott Wave Analysis and Validation Expert System. If you go to ewaves.com, it tells you all about it. You can watch a couple of videos that tell you how the software works. It also shows you how you can license the software for yourself. And for us at the Flash Services, it's the tool that helps us understand the market patterns and guide us in our decision-making process. And previously, EWAVES would update its Elliott Wave counts at the end of the trading day. If we go back to this UNG chart from February 28th, before, this wave count would only be updated at the end of the day on March 3rd when the markets closed. But now EWAVES updates its charts 4 times a day: in the morning, at lunchtime, after lunch, and also after the market closes. And each time a chart gets updated, you see a timestamp. This one for UNG was updated today, March 7th at 2:25 p.m. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for us here at the Flash Services. Prices are always in motion, and us Elliott Wave analysts are always rolling with the punches, adjusting wave labels as needed. It's an exciting new feature of EWAVES, and we'll get a lot of use out of it. Right now, inside our Flash services, we have 6 open alerts, 1 for futures, 3 for ETFs, and 2 for stocks. As you know, the markets have been volatile, and for that reason, we've been especially careful with adjusting our cancel alert levels and monitoring the risk. But on the plus side, volatility means that markets are on the move, and as always, I'm excited to see what the next week brings.